go, down 3 weeks in a row, baby.
And Roy said, well,
just seen a weird ass movie, dog. What the fuck? My boy just cracked a brew. What's up, perro?
What's up, perro?
Just listen to this shit. Just listen to the shit this fool making. This shit is next level, dog. Y'all like drinking tea or not? Let me know. Alright, look, the one on the left is the one I'm reading. The ones on the right from Snitch, Under the Bridge, and The Four Agreements, those are books that I've read recently. And then Steve Jobs, The Way of the Superior Man, Power versus Force, and The Magic, those are books that I'm gonna read before the year ends. What's up, Birdie? Do it again. Holy shit. What's poppin'?
You just told me. I got something on the video.
Back at it again, dog. Right here, my boy Chino. What's up, fool?
What it do, y'all?
At Pirate Studios, about to record a music video real quick. On the low. Catch you on a bit. What's up, my boy? What's poppin', fool? Hey, let's help him out.
Huh?
Starting a 90s cover band. Shout out to my boy Chino, videographer.
Stepping out the door with some fresh 90s, the old whites, the drips nice. Yeah, I'm icy, but I don't wear eyes. Still a fool that looks fly. Got my button down on, let's get lost in the